This is HonestBee B-frame making machine, sidebar slicer. Pre-profiled sidebar blocks, which are created by a separate sidebar forming machine, are loaded into the feed. An automated system then feeds these blocks towards the high-speed slicing saws housed within. The machine precisely and rapidly slices each profiled block into multiple, thinner, finished sidebars. The continuous and automated operation make the blocks are efficiently processed into ready-to-use sidebars. The blue feed rollers ensure consistent and accurate feeding of the material through the cutting blades. Here you can see the individual finished sidebars, perfectly sliced from the original thicker, profiled block. This sidebar slicer is designed to work in tandem with our sidebar forming machine to complete the full manufacturing process for sidebars. Our B-frame sidebar slicers are built for efficiency and high throughput. As with all our machinery, they can be customized to your specific production needs.